Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you all a brief tutorial on this brand new 2019 Newmar Baystar 3124. Brand new color schemes for 2019, brand new front cap, and there's a heck of a lot more to see, both inside and out. Come on inside, let's take a look. Right, starting in the back of this brand new 3124 for 2019, you've still got your beautiful traditional king-size bed. This is the same length as a bed you'd have in your home. Makes it nice because you won't have to go out and get extra special sheets for this at all. Little redesign. The cabinetry here has been redesigned. You were used to seeing one on either side with your Blu-ray player up here. That's changed. So now you've got two gigantic drawers here, and that's going to give you a massive wardrobe here. You've still got your TV, and then they've actually put your Blu-ray spot down here, so you don't have to really go try and fumbling around reaching up top for anything. Really a nice little addition for the 2019 coach. You've also got your cabinetry here, so that would be a perfect linen closet. You've also got your pantry right here with slide out trays. Again, wonderful storage and well thought out. They've also changed the door for the bathroom. This is now a little slip door that you're used to seeing in the bath and a half diesels. So that's actually going to afford you a bigger shower. You're going to have a little bit more storage space in there than you did in years past. As we go out into the rest of the coach, you're still going to have your traditional dinette and your traditional sofa. And the one special thing about this sofa is that this actually becomes a bunk bed. So all you would have to do is pop that up, raise that ladder section up, and guess what? You've got a bunk bed in here for 2 extra people to sleep without necessarily having to worry about folding out a hide-a-bed every night. It really is a very simple system. You've still got your traditional gas electric refrigerator. Something else that's very new for 2019, they've actually got a recessed cooktop. You're used to seeing, the standard metal cover and everything, but this is actually a very nice system, very elegantly done, recessed with all the extra little rubber parts there so you won't have it rattling down the road like you would with a traditional cooktop. And you do of course have your Whirlpool convection unit up top. That's a residential style. And then again, lots of cabinetry space above and below throughout the coach. As we move into the cockpit, this is of course going to be on a Ford F-53 chassis. This is going to feature a 6.8 liter Triton V10 motor, 320 horsepower, 6-speed transmission. This particular coach is also going to be equipped with the X-Sight navigation system, the Rand McNally navigation that is. That's going to be an RV specific system to make navigating those tight places a lot easier, making sure you don't go anywhere you're not supposed to go. That pretty much does it for the inside of the coach. Well, let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. Right, on the outside of this brand new 2019 3124, first things first, safety. You do of course have side view cameras. You are of course going to have, let's just close this so you can really see it. You are of course going to have this beautiful full body paint. This is from BASF Paints, best in the business and only what Newmar uses. As you can see, plenty of storage all the way around on this coach. You are of course going to have all these storage bays are going to be lit with LED lighting. You are of course going to have auxiliary power out there as well. And then 5,500 watt generator. That's a big important thing because that means you are of course going to have 2 AC units on top of this coach. And then again, storage all the way around this coach. As we work our way around to the other side, you are of course going to have your backup camera. You're going to have your 5,000 pound tow hitch. And then last thing to demonstrate is just to show how simple all of your wet bay items are. Everything is duck soup simple. It's in one spot. A little bit up here for your black tank drain, but other than that, it is simple, simple, simple. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to discuss this brand new Newmar Baystar 3124 for model year 2019. As I'm sure you know, there's a lot of small fine details I didn't quite have enough time to go through. I'd love to have a conversation with you so you and your family can make an informed decision. When you've got some time, please feel free to contact me using the information below on the screen, or if you'd like, please feel free to call me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.